Well, the holidays might be over, but it certainly looks like it's still snowing in this little village. So let's make some snowballs. All right, here for our ingredients, we have 3/4 of a cup of salted butter, half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 egg, 1 3/4 cups of flour, some soft candy. You can use whatever kind you want. Like, I'm using Skittles here, but you could use M&Ms or peanut M&Ms or whatever else you want. You don't really want to use a hard candy though. And then about a cup of powdered sugar in a big bag. Okay, for mixing these cookies up, we're going to first add the butter to a large bowl and beat that for about 30 seconds. Then add in the sugar and beat that together. Then add in the eggs and the vanilla and beat all that until it's nice and fluffy. And then gradually add the flour while that is mixing. All right, next step, we are going to roll the dough up into little balls about 1 inch wide. And then with a spoon, you're going to make a divot in the middle of the cookie. And then depending on the size of your candy, put either one or a couple pieces in the middle and then wrap the dough up around that. Now we're going to bake these cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes, just until the edges are lightly browned. Once they're done, take them out, let them cool for a few minutes, and then while they're still warm, put 2 or 3 of them in the bag of powdered sugar, shake them up, and then put them on a wire rack to cool fully. Once they're fully cooled, put them back in the bag of powdered sugar and shake them up again. All right, there we go. So even if you don't have giant talons like I do that scrape half the sugar off, they do still need that second coating to look really good. So make sure you do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Next week, we're going to be making a pecan tart. It's a lot like a pecan pie, but it's really dense and it's got less crust, which I like a lot. Maybe back here next week for that. Same time, same place. Until then, I hope you all have a great week. Love you all. Bye.